expedition today. We will go for a picnic. Really hard to walk. We will cook some noodles and tea, and then we will go back to home. See you. And it's a little bit cold here, -4 degrees Celsius, and our hands are really freezing. Too much cold. This is amazing valley in the Range, Himalayan mountains in India. Look, this landslide area. We're almost 2 kilometers more hiking, and then we will reach our destination. The weather is good. I feel the sweat as I am in the sweater. A little bit hot. Yep. See you. Yeah. Looks beautiful as night. Almost 6 kilometers hiking, and we can't cross our vehicle from this road. That's why we are walking. A nice wooden house and mud house with some stones. It's a nice cozy house. You can stay in the winters. Just come with us if you want to travel here. So it's cold, really cold here. -2 or maybe -6.
Rich. Rich apa kutte mirgar rare rahe.
Tenua. Look this pole.
Tenua mirgar.
Yeah, yes. You can see those poles. Look at the leopard. We have to find some woods. This nice small one. We don't want bigger ones. This is it. Here we are, going very down. And have a little walk like this. We have to walk very carefully. Those grass are so slippery, so we have to walk carefully. I have a wrong shoes today. And there's one problem, we just forgot the matchbox and lighters. So we have to go to market and buy a matchbox. That's horrible scene for the first time. We forgot the matchbox. Let's see if we find out a good matchbox. We'll make a fire and cook our meal and then get ready to go back to home. So I hope we'll get some matchbox. See you. This is live for the poop. Ew. This is survival skill. Jag vågar. Ja, plastik. Ada plastik di mana? Kecil sih loh. Kecil sih loh lihat.
Ya, kotoran dia. Bidingnya enak ini. Sering kau sebelum itu lemah ya.
Hakena.
Heavy diet.
Heavy diet.
Yes.
And now it's time for some green tea, isn't it? We will make some green tea. अब चलेगा. देखो और बड़ी है. हाथ है. Let's go to home. Let's go to back to the home. See you in the next vlog. See ya.